Welcome to Outlet Campground Melvern, a beautiful outdoor destination located just below the Melvern Lake Dam on the eastern edge of the Flint Hills in Kansas. Known for its open skies, scenic prairie landscapes, and abundant recreational activities, this campground is a perfect spot for families, nature enthusiasts, and weekend adventurers. Outlet Campground is one of the largest in the area, offering 140 family campsites. Many of these sites are equipped with full hookups, including electricity, water, and sewer connections. For group gatherings, there are 2 day-use picnic shelters with electrical access, as well as additional family picnic spots available on a first-come, first-served basis. Facilities are designed for convenience and include flush and vault toilets, showers, drinking water, laundry access, and a dump station. For fun on the water, visitors can take advantage of the on-site boat ramp, accessible dock, and fish cleaning station. Fishing is available year-round with species like walleye, crappie, catfish, and various types of bass wading in Melvern Lake. A stocked fishing pond near the campground is especially popular with younger visitors. Kids and families will love the swim-in beach, playground, and open areas for activities. The natural environment features the iconic tallgrass prairie of the Flint Hills, with rolling, partially wooded hills that create a peaceful camping atmosphere. With nearly 7,000 acres of lakewater and 18,000 acres of surrounding land, the area is ideal for boating, kayaking, swimming, bird watching, biking, and hiking. The Tallgrass Heritage Trail, a scenic 4-mile route, starts right from the campground. Hunters can also find deer, turkey, quail, ducks, rabbits, and squirrels in designated areas. Getting here is easy. From US 75, take the Melvern exit and follow Melvern Lake Parkway, then River Pond Parkway into the campground. Whether you're camping overnight, planning a family picnic, or seeking outdoor adventure, Outlet Campground Melvern delivers a memorable experience in the heart of Kansas nature.